In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a community in Skool. By the end, you'll understand the exact path to follow, what happens along the way, and how to avoid common points of confusion. First, open Skool, log in, and go straight to the specific group you want to remove. This matters because each group manages its own settings separately. Once you're inside that group, look for the settings area. That's where all the controls for that community live, and it's the starting point for the deletion process. Inside settings, find and open the billing tab. Skool ties group deletion to the group's billing status, so you'll manage the next actions from here. Think of billing as the control center for turning off the plan that keeps the group active. In billing, locate membership subscription and proceed to cancel it. This stops future charges for that group. It's important to know that canceling won't make the group disappear immediately. The group stays active until the end of the current billing cycle. When that cycle ends, Skool automatically moves the group into an archived state. That transition is intentional. It gives a clean cutoff point and prevents accidental loss of access mid-cycle. During this archived state, the community is no longer running as an active group. It's essentially paused and ready for final removal. If you don't see an immediate change right after cancellation, that's expected. Wait for the billing period to complete. If you manage multiple groups, it can help to double-check you're viewing the right group's billing page so you can track its status accurately. Once the group has been archived, return to the same place, Settings, then Billing. You'll now see the option to delete group. Click Delete Group to permanently remove the community. This final action clears the group from Skool after it has been archived. If you don't see the delete option, the group probably hasn't reached the archived state yet, which means the current billing cycle is still in progress. To recap the flow in plain terms, go to your group's settings, open billing, cancel the membership subscription, let the current billing cycle finish so the group becomes archived, then come back to settings and billing to delete the group. That's the full, correct sequence. Follow it exactly and you'll successfully remove your Skool community without surprises.